Are you having problems with your myChevrolet app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on the settings app, then what I did was that I firstly scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here I scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage, and in here we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And for some of you it's going to be it can take like quite a while, just so you know, depending on how much memory that you currently use on your phone. But in here we can just scroll up, in here click on search for myChevrolet and just click on it, and then just click on offload app. Once again click on offload app, and here as you can see, just wait and then click on the blue button here again, and basically just wait for your myChevrolet app to now completely load to the latest version. It might take a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, just so you know. But basically then go back into the app, try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you.